What's up, everybody? It's your boy David from the Eclectic Electric Transport on YouTube and E-Life Behind Bars on Instagram. We are going to try something different. So we're going to open up the Quest, no PC needed for this right now. And we're going to go to the browser actually and type in SideQuest. And what we're going to try to do is launch SideQuest from the Oculus without a PC. And we're not going to install anything here. We're not going to download it. We're just going to keep it in the browser. We're going to keep it in bookmark. I'm going to go ahead and it's already titled SideQuest. We're going to save that. 3 lines. It'll always be in the bookmarks when you come to browser. All right, so I'll take you out of here and we'll walk to this fresh. All right, so we're going to walk to this fresh. And this is how you would access it. Come to browser. You hit the 3 lines. You hit bookmarks. You launch bookmarks. Now you're on SideQuest. It's that simple. I don't think we need to sign in. So let's see if we can just go right into the Oculus. Right from here. Let's pick something I know I don't have. And let's see what that did for us. So this is a great, look at that. This is a great simple way to download right from the browser with no computer needed. I picked this game. I don't know what I picked. Okay, what's going on? Oh, gotcha. So again, guys, we're accessing the SideQuest with no PC. We need a phone, and there we go. So guys, I appreciate you. Appreciate you for coming through, spending time on the channel, and asking questions. And again, this is from learning this myself. I just figured it's just common sense for me. I see no perfect letters. Thinking of everything that's one place. So I just definitely not wrong. I would have done. Anyway, guys, I'm out. Peace. I hope this was helpful.